So on one of my interviews on my podcast, I interviewed Wendy, the cabbage queen. She once told me that she used to collect aluminium cans, and with that money, she managed to start her cabbage production. So today, I'm going to take my cans to scrapyard and see how much money we're gonna make. These are the cans that I've collected in the past 4 years. So the past 4 years, I've been collecting these cans. Each and every can that I ever bought, I kept it, and all those cans are in here. And some, when I'm chilling with the guys when they're drinking, I'll collect those cans. So yeah, let's go and see how much money we're going to make. So I was just collecting this for fun of it for the past 4 years. So today I decided, you know what, these things have been causing. I decided, you know what, these things have been here, and they've been making some mess now because they're all over the yard. So it's time to get rid of them.
I would say I feel comfortable. Gamara for 10 ready to bambas. You rather walk. Guys, let me give you a tip. If you're planning to buy 1400, don't buy it if you wanna drive on a gravel road. Like, if you wanna drive on such road, don't buy 1400, guys. This thing is not comfortable. Yo. Welcome to another video of Makwala. Today we are on our way to buy drip irrigation. I'm at the back today, guys. I'm not driving today. The driver is CPT, the farmer. He's the driver today. We are in the middle of nowhere. We're in the middle of nowhere, going somewhere. I don't know where we are, but yeah, we are traveling. So we are about to start another production of jam tomatoes. Yeah, the land is almost ready. So we're gonna be planting month end Feb. This is the end of January, yeah. So we have about a month before we can start planting. So we decided, you know what, this year we're going to buy new pipes, new irrigation, and drip irrigation this time, because the ones that we were using, they were just normal pipes, and then we had to make our own drip holes on our own. So we're using a lot of instruments to make those holes. So this year we decided, you know what, let's go and buy the drip irrigation. So yeah, this is the journey to buy the drip irrigation. It feels nice to be here, man. It feels nice. Woohoo! Well, Moses. Chief. Hey! I'm gonna low. I work so follow. I'm gonna fool just put up a press accelerator. This guy wants to kill me, man. Open that brick. I got to rush up. Or better press accelerator. I don't know who me that. Go on. I'm gonna get trim. No the petrol. Hey, this guy's been driving on gear number 2. Yeah, so this is the place where we're going to buy the drip. Eco drip. Nice. Apa ya mama?
Yeah, I think so.
I hope it just we say more.
After 2 hours of waiting, we finally got our
Waiting for what?
drip irrigation. So when we got here, this is the factory where they make drip actually, which I'm not gonna give the location because they're not paying me. So we came here to buy the drip for our next production of tomatoes that we're gonna be starting next month. So when we got here, they didn't have the size that we're looking for, and they said to us that we can wait while they are busy manufacturing it. So we gave them the size and everything that we wanted. So we waited for them for about 2 to 3 hours, and then they manufactured the drip for us. So now it's time to go home.
Now you're hungry now.
And we're hungry. But we haven't actually gone to the scrapyard because earlier we took the can, the aluminium cans that I was supposed to drop at the scrapyard to recycle them and see how much money we can get. So right now we want to go and actually drop the cans at the scrapyard or recycle them and get some cash.
So that we buy lunch.
So we buy lunch,
If
yeah.
we get 50 rand, we're gonna eat 50 rand lunch. We're gonna improvise.
See you.
Ah, where are we going, man? Dian. Hey, buka 1400.
What's up, brother? Sorry? 1468 spanner. 1468 ukutoka.
Take a picture of me. Hey, hey, take a picture of me. Mother, take a picture of you.
So guys, so we made 207 rand from those cans. So I think it's 10 kg. Yeah, they did 10 kg. So yeah, that's how much we made, guys. This is the money. This one is for petrol, my guy, and food.